Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Ram 1500 windshield sprayer. Many owners experience issues like no fluid spraying, a weak stream, or noticeable leaks. These problems are typically caused by simple clogs, a hose that has come loose, or a pump that is no longer working. Extreme cold can also freeze and damage components, leading to a complete system failure. We will cover how to diagnose and resolve these common issues. First, let's start with the basics. Make sure your washer fluid reservoir is full. It typically holds about 1 gallon of fluid. Next, visually inspect the spray nozzles located on your hood. They can easily become clogged with debris or dried fluid. Use a small pin or needle to gently clear any blockages. Then, carefully check all the rubber and plastic hoses under the hood, especially near the nozzles and along the hood hinge, for any loose connections or visible cracks. If the nozzles and hoses appear fine, the problem might be electrical or with the pump itself. When you press the washer button, listen closely for the sound of the pump. If you hear nothing, check fuse F93 in your truck's front power distribution center. A blown fuse will prevent the pump from receiving power. You can also disconnect the pump and apply 12 volts directly to it to see if it activates, confirming if the pump is operational or faulty. Once you've identified the problem, it's time for the fix. Replace any nozzles that remain clogged after cleaning or any hoses that are cracked or disconnected. If your pump receives power but still doesn't spray, a new pump is likely needed. Remember, accessing the pump often requires removing the grill. To prevent future problems, always use a high-quality, freeze-resistant washer fluid, especially in colder climates, to keep your system working smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.